environmental pollution. So what are the pollution you know? What is pollution?
Air pollution, water pollution,
Water pollution,
noise pollution,
noise pollution, then land pollution, then
waste pollution.
soil pollution, everything okay. Land and soil both are the same. Okay, thermal pollution. Do you know about the thermal pollution? What is thermal pollution? Anybody's? Heat pollution. Then thermal pollution is occurring near the where? From the industrial sector, especially the production of electricity. In that electricity sector, we have a nuclear reactor. You already know about the working of nuclear reactor. What happened? What is the working of nuclear reactor? What happened here? So the nuclear fission reaction should be occurs there. So enormous amount of heat energy should be reduced by the coolant. Okay, that coolant can be continuously replaced by the cool water. Okay, that heating water should be what is the rated into the nearby any one of the aquatic ecosystem. So what happened? Immediately that all the what is the aquatic species are affected by the thermal shocks. That is called thermal pollution. So that are pollution we discussed here. In this topic we have seen about air pollution, then water pollution. Next one, nuclear hazards. Next one, soil pollution. Next one, marine pollution. Noise pollution. Last one is thermal pollution. Not only that, we have discussed about various environmental protection laws. First one, environmental laws. Next one, Air Act, Water Act. There are nearly 5 acts which should be discussed in the unit. Last one, Forest Conservation Act. Deadline date 1980. See, that are the overall content which are including in the unit 2. So unit 2 fully explain about what are the pollution we have faced day to day life and what are the prevention that should be followed by the government and to reduce the pollutions. So that are the overall topic. How many pollution we have discussed in the topic? First one is the air pollution, water pollution, nuclear hazard, that is very most dangerous pollution. Next one, soil pollution, then thermal and also marine pollutions. So among these all the pollution we should be expected nearly 2 or 3 questions in your request examinations. So next one, that are the this is also separated. This unit also separated by 2 units. First one we discussed about all the pollution. Second one, what are the acts should be reduce the pollution followed by the government. So first one is the Environmental Protection Act. Its sources, what are the responsibilities of the NGOs, what are the rules and regulations followed by the state board government and central board government. These are all discussed in the following act. Nearly 5 acts we discussed in the unit. First one is the Environmental Protection Act. Second one is the Water Pollution and Control Act. Next one, Air Pollution and Control Act. That is called shortly we call Air Act. Next one, Water Act. Water Act is the 1981 is the is created in the 1981 and it is updated in 1987. So next one, see, Wildlife Prevention Act, especially for the animals. Last one is the Forest Conservation Act. So already we know about lot of forest in our environment. So we have to protect the forest that following rules should be followed for Forest Conservation Act. First one we discuss about water pollution. 21st by that, what is that? Air pollution. So see, for all the pollution we have discussed about that is common for all the pollution. First one we write about the definition. Second one sources. Third one classification. Next one control measures. So first one we see about what is air pollution. What is air pollution? Say the definition of air pollution. What are the pollutants you have seen in your environment? Air pollutant. What is the difference between pollutant and pollution? Pollutant and pollution.
The causing agent is pollutant.
What are the particles which is created for the air pollution is called pollutant. Can you see any more example for air pollutant? See some more. I don't ask about what are the reasons. I ask about some chemical name for the chemical pollutant.
Carbon monoxide.
Like that.
Hydrogen.
Methane. Okay, then
Chlorofluorocarbon.
chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, then yes, NO2. Okay, so if CO2 is increases, what happens? What are the consequences we face? Global warming. Then chlorofluorocarbon increases, what happens? Ozone layer depletion. Then NO2 increases, NO2 SO2 increases, what happens? Acid rain. What is acid rain? Raining of acid. That means H2 reacted. So there are sources of there are various sources of air pollutant. First one CO2, second one NO2, next one SO2, chlorofluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbon, methane. That are the major sources of air pollutant that are emitted by the vehicles and also industries. And also industries, especially this SO2 is reacted with atmospheric water. We get that first is O4. NO2 is reacted with atmospheric water. We get HNO3. That are responsible for the acid rain. Acid rain is nothing but if the excess amount of gas pollutant like SO2 or NO2 present in our environment at the time of raining, we should be reacted with the water. That water pH is, what are the pH of water? 7. It should be diminished. The diminished means reduced to the 6 to, what is that? 6.5. That is called acid rain. What happened for the acid rain? Acid rain what are the consequences for acid rain?
Damages walls.
His photosynthesis activities are completely reduced. So the chlorophyll will be reduced. And also, what happens? Lot of diseases, the corrosion related diseases will be attacked by the, what is that? All the plants. So that are the causes of, what is that? Acid rain. Okay. So that are the major sources of air pollution. Okay, first SPM. Okay, so that is called suspended particulate matters. That is called very minute particles which are fluctuating in the gas circulation and entering our eyes and irritating so much and affect our, what is that? That's this is also called SPM. That's all. Using bicycles, done. Electric vehicles, done. So some of the English should be followed. Wet scrubber, trickling processes, that are the control measures for that. What is wet scrubber? That is the scrubber which is observe the NO2 and SO2 which is emitted before the environment. So it is fitted at the high chimneys. Chimneys kulla fit pannirpaanga. It should be observe more amount of that particles NO2 pollutant of the observe pannum. That is called wet scrubber. Next one, trickling process. Trickling process is nothing but at the sources, before sources create ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே அங்க என்ன செய்யும்? It should be separated and passing high amount of steam into the what is the stripper. Pass பண்ணி it should be deposited on the wall of the chimneys. That is called trickling process. So that are the control measures which are followed by the industrial sector to reduce the air pollution. So what are the first one is the wet scrubber, second one is the trickling process. Okay, next one. So saying some of the what is London smog? Anybody say what is London smog? Which of the gas is responsible for the London smog? It is one of the event. So at the time of winter, London we created a lot of accidents. One of the chemical is responsible for the London smog, that is SO2. Okay, the SO2 is reacted with the oxygen, we form sulfur trioxide. That SO2 is reacted with the oxygen, we get SO3. That SO3 reacted with water, we get S2, H2SO4. That is called London smog. So என்ன செய்யும்? சமய பனியோட சேர்ந்து என்ன செய்யும்? நமக்கு அந்த பனி நம்ம இரிட்டேஷன் ஆகும். நம்ம ஸ்பெல் பண்ணும்போது நோஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப இரிட்டேட் ஆகும். காரணம் என்ன? SO2 ஓட கண்டென்ட் ஆக்சிஜன் அதிகமா இருந்தா that is called London smog. Okay, most important two marks. Next one, chemical smog. Study first. Define London smog. Define London smog. High concentration of SO2. High concentration of SO2, which is reacted with the smog, which is reacted with the smog present in the environment, which is reacted with the smog, 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 smog na pani, present in the environment, getting irritating states, getting irritating signs in our eyes, nose and legs. This incident must observe in London. This incident must observe in London. Therefore, this is called London smog. Next one, photochemical smog. Photochemical smog, that is the gas is responsible for the photochemical smog. That is nitrogen is reacted with oxygen, we get NO, nitrous oxide. The nitrous oxide again reacted with oxygen, we get NO2. So NO2 should not be directly emitted in the environment. So nitrogen is reacted with atmospheric oxygen. First we get the nitrogen oxide only. That nitrous oxide again reacted with oxygen, we get NO2. So that is the chemical which is responsible for photochemical smog. Note it first. Define photochemical smog. Write this equation. High concentration leads to cancer. Fan is one of the very dangerous chemical which is circulating in our environment. Very dangerous air pollutant which is circulating in our environment. If the excess amount of, that means high concentration of pan present in our environment leads to the what happened? Cancer. Low concentration leads to the what happened? Skin irritation. Eyes and skin irritation. So up to this what over? Air pollution unit. Okay, next one, water pollution. The iron which color is shown there. If excess amount of iron present in water, the color of water is turned into reddish brown. Okay, excess amount of chromium, yellow. Okay, already we discussed in the water technology. Same here, also here. And I know the parameters for them. What are the parameters we have? Find the value of pH, color, so not only that, what is that? Then biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand. So the sum of parameters we have discussed like that to determine the quality of water, which is what is that? Demonstrated by the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay, so see. So next one, sources of water pollution. So there are various sources of water pollution. First one, infectious agents. Second one, oxygen demands. Next one, inorganic chemicals, organic chemicals, land nutrients, sediments, radioactive materials. Oil and last, oil sources. So that are various sources of water pollution. See, first one we discussed about infectious agents. What is infectious agent? What are the diseases spread out by the water pollution? Malaria, cholera. So that are the diseases which are spread by the excess amount of microbacteria or excess amount of viruses present in the water. That kind of diseases should be spreading. Okay, next one, oxygen demands. How many kinds of oxygen demands you know? Two. Shami will fall. Then get. What are the, how many kinds of oxygen demands you know? What are they?
Biological oxygen demand.
Biological oxygen demand. Okay, what is COE? What is COE? So due to the chemicals, what happened? Oxygen amount will be reduced in the water is called COE. So what is biological oxygen demand? Because of action of microorganisms, oxygen level will be reduced in the water. That is called BOD. Okay, so we have to maintain nearly 8 to 50 milligram per liter. That means ppm of oxygen present in the water. That aquatic system is the good aquatic system. Otherwise, that is what happened. Aquatic system is very much poor in the oxygen demands. Next one, see inorganic wastes. Say some of the inorganic wastes.
So plastic.
Inorganic wastes. I don't talk about organic wastes. Iron is inorganic wastes. Chromium is inorganic wastes. Lead is inorganic waste. If excess amount of iron, chromium, lead, what happened? The color will be totally, what is the changes? pH will be altered. So that are the various causes of what is the inorganic wastes. What are the organic wastes?
Carbon dioxide.
Soap oil. Okay. So not one oil spillage. Excess amount of oil spillage. Draining, foaming. So that are the organic wastes. Turn the physical and chemical properties of the water. Next one, see plant nutrients. How can we get the plant nutrients?
Potassium.
Potassium. That is the from
Soil.
of fertilizers and pesticides in the agricultural land, what happened? Two kinds of process will be occurs. First one eutrophication. Second one is the blue baby syndrome. What is eutrophication? Anybody? The lag which is eutrophic lag is called nothing but excess amount of nitrogen and potassium nutrient present in the lag is called eutrophic lag. எப்போமே கம்மியா மட்டும் இல்ல nutrients அதிகமா இருந்தாலுமே that are also one of the pollution. That process is called eutrophication. Note it. Define eutrophication. Define eutrophication. Eutrophication. Define eutrophication. Excess amount of fertilizers like urea and potash used in agricultural lands, which will be excess amount of urea and potash are used in agricultural lands. That is runoff and mixed with a nearby lag. That is runoff and mixed with a nearby lag. The lag should be affected by excess nutrients. The lag should be affected by excess nutrients. That is called eutrophic lag. That is called eutrophic lag. And this process is called eutrophication. And this process is called eutrophication. What happened? If excess are nutrients அதிகமான ஒரு lag வந்து pollution ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்ற என்ன reason? இப்போ நம்ம இருக்கோம். So if we okay, it should be done the pH range. Then அதை தாண்டி நம்மளுக்கு உடம்புக்கு தேவையான அளவுக்கு நம்ம வந்து intake எடுத்துட்டா போதும். excess எடுத்தாட்டா what happened? Obese. Waiting for that aquatic system excess of weight வந்து segregation ஆகும்போது nutrient segregation ஆகும்போது alga's growth will be more and more. So the lifespan of algae is very much less. So frequently should be taken decay on the deposit on the floor of the lags. What happened? It used the biological accident demand. That is one of the chain. So that is called the overall process is called eutrophication. Alga வந்து நிறைய என்ன செய்யும்? இல்ல டெத் ஆகி ஃப்ளோர்ல டெபாசிட் ஆகும்போது BOD வந்து ஆக்ட் ஆகும் இன்டியூஸ் ஆகும். அப்படி இன்டியூஸ் ஆகிறது தான் நம்ம சொல்றோம் யூட்ரோஃபிகேஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். அதனால BOD வந்து வாட்டர் பியா அந்த process தான் யூட்ரோஃபிகேஷன். So eutrophication is the process only by fertilizers. Next one, pesticides. If excesses of pesticides are used in agricultural land, what happens? Blue baby syndrome. So blue baby syndrome that is nothing but for குழந்தைக்கு வயிறு மட்டும் பெருசா stomach is completely destroyed and hands and legs are turned into the blue. What is blue baby syndrome? Stand and tell what is blue baby syndrome. How many treatment processes you know? Treatment process of what pollution? How many treatment processes you know? Primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment. Primary treatment, list out some of the primary treatment. Monish. So, coagulation, filtration, that is for secondary treatment of the water. Next one, chlorination. Okay, disinfectant, anti-disinfectant, and also subjected to some of the technological events. So that are for tertiary treatment of water. Okay, so to this water pollution also. So how many pollution we discussed today?